What to do, I'm already late. Oh, wait. How am I? A fire alarm. I haven't pulled it once in a while. A class. And that is how the 13 colonists defeat. And that is why the American Revolutionary War went down to history. Now, who can tell me? Who can tell me what's 2 plus 2? Oh, it's a fire alarm! So everybody, we need to evacuate the building. Are we supposed to have a fire drill today? Calm down, class. We're going outside. This is a fire alarm. Everybody, calm down. Get out as fast as you can.
What they trying to get back into the evening. You know that.
He's not gonna eat this. It's just
Okay, well, we're gonna
Later outside. Well, there was no fire, Mrs. Lee. The cops told me that there was a false alarm. I'm going to tell the kids. I just overheard. It's a false alarm. A false alarm? Well, I still haven't been the person who hasn't been through a fire. What rotten luck. Slick, that's good luck. Not for the person who pulled the fire alarm. Someone pulled a fire alarm? Who would do a thing like that? Who would do a thing like that? Did you see those dweebs run? Ha 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 ha. What a bunch of scaredy cats. Because I was really impressed with the firefighters. It only took them 3 minutes and 29 seconds to get here. Nice to notice so fast. Ooh, what? You don't think it might. Oh. Is this your backpack? It was found under the fire alarm. Leona! Well, it wasn't my fault. Well, it appears we're going to need a serious talk with you.
What about all of us?
And you know what? The TY never lies.
Yeah.
So since the fire alarm is now reset, you're coming with us.
Now, what? Hey, I need seaweed.
No, she's going to have a serious talk with...
Then why did that happen? Well, I don't know who just pulled the fire. It's legal though. How do you know? Because it's only in the security camera. Well, you're not defensible. Well,
what I did was dumb and dangerous. It was also mean to all the mighty mountains. some kids who have been really nice to me. I'm very sorry, and I will never pull the fire alarm when there isn't a fire again. The end. I'm glad you understand the seriousness of this offense, Leona. But I have to admit, I'm still baffled. Why would you do that? Well, I don't know. Maybe you should talk to the school counselor about this. But I said I was sorry. Can't you just freaking punish me now? Normally, you would be suspended for 2 weeks for something like this. Because in the circumstances, I have something else in mind. Today, when you pull the fire alarm, it keeps the firemen away from the real action. So when you pull it, it keeps the firemen away from the real action. That doesn't even make sense. Well, you know that playing a trick by pulling the fire alarm can cost you a life. Even a fine. Now, off to class. That is the end of the video today.